Hi everyone, I am Shashi, Principal Security Consultant at Redfox Cybersecurity, and I am heading to Black Hat USA to train professionals on real-world AWS attack. Get ready, because we are moving way beyond the basics. In this high-stakes world of cloud security, it isn't about just checking a box or passing multiple choice tests. It's about the absolute thrill of the hunt. If you're tired of boring slide decks and want to build skills that actually turn heads, this is exactly where you need to be. At Redfox Cybersecurity, we don't just follow a checklist, we focus on pure capability and methodology. At Black Hat, I'm going to show you how to hunt down those silent vulnerabilities that automated tools completely miss. This is a high-energy, deep dive training built for professionals who want to lead their teams with total confidence. This intensive training covers everything from initial reconnaissance to persistence, walking participants through real-world attack paths across IAM, EC2, S3, Lambda, API Gateway, Cognito, GuardDuty, and other core AWS services. You won't be sitting through long lectures here. You will be in the driver's seat with our world-class labs, tackling the same high-stakes scenarios we handle for our global clients every single day. And by the end of the training, you will be ready to claim the Certified AWS Penetration Tester certification. This isn't a badge, it's proof to the world that you have the real-world methodology and the mindset of an elite cloud expert. Black Hat is the ultimate place to level up and meet the best in the business. Don't settle for standard training. Let's work together to give your career a massive boost. Seats are strictly limited to keep the class interactive and fast-paced. Register now and I'll see you at the Black Hat.